Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the 9 most advanced AI robots, humanoid and industrial robots. Before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Robots are thought to be the technology of the future. Robotics technology has only recently entered the workplace, and there is still more to be done. Companies are always improving their robots, adding new features and learning from their mistakes. Multitasking robots that could eventually replace humans are still decades away. Research and space exploration, personal support and caregiving, education and entertainment, search and rescue, manufacturing and maintenance, public relations, and healthcare are among areas where humanoid robots are used. Statistics Market Research Consulting predicted that the global humanoid robot market will reach $13 billion by 2026 before the coronavirus pandemic and economic uncertainties. While future market behavior is unknown, robot utilization is increasing. Chinese enterprises were hurrying to install robots and automation technology as doctors battled COVID-19. Humanoid and industrial robots. Here are the 9 most advanced AI robots. Number 9. Digit. Agility Robotics, founded in 2015, creates highly proficient bipedal robots for a variety of purposes, including logistics, telepresence, automated inspection, entertainment, and research. The company's goal is to create 4-legged machines that can travel any place a human can. Cassie, a bipedal platform that can navigate tough terrain and step over obstacles, was the company's first robot, introduced in 2016. Digit is Agility's second robot, which was unveiled in 2019. Digit has legs that are similar to Cassie's, but it also has a torso packed of sensors and a set of arms for balance, mobility, and manipulation. Digit is a humanoid robot that moves in a more dynamic manner than traditional robots. It features quick limbs and a sensor-packed torso, allowing it to navigate complex situations and perform jobs such as package delivery. Digit has a humanoid shape. It can walk about because it has 2 arms and 2 legs. In comparison to humans, its toeless feet are flat and its knees bend backward. It also lacks a head and hands. It does, however, have strength and durability, as well as a computer that allows it to perform activities independently and without the use of a tether. Number 8. Pepper. Pepper is a semi-humanoid robot developed by SoftBank Robotics, previously Aldebaran Robotics, and capable of reading emotions. It was unveiled during a press conference on June 5, 2014, and began to be shown in SoftBank mobile phone stores across Japan the next day. Pepper's capacity to perceive emotion is dependent on facial expressions and voice tones being detected and analyzed. Pepper production was halted in June 2021 due to low demand. Pepper is presently being utilized as a receptionist in a number of companies around the UK, where it can recognize guests using facial recognition, send meeting organizers alerts, and arrange for refreshments to be made. Pepper is capable of chatting with potential clients on his own. A SoftBank distributor provided the first working Pepper receptionist in the UK, which was placed at Brain Labs in London. Pepper is a research and educational robot that may be used to teach programming and do research on human-robot interactions in schools, colleges, and universities. Number 7. Atlas. Atlas is a bipedal humanoid robot built mostly by Boston Dynamics with funding and control from the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency in the United States, DARPA. The robot was first revealed to the public on July 11, 2013, and was built for a range of search and rescue activities. Atlas is a blue LED-lit humanoid robot based on Boston Dynamics' older Petman humanoid robot. Atlas contains 2 vision systems, a laser rangefinder and stereo cameras, both operated by an off-board computer, as well as hands that can perform fine motor skills. It has a total of 28 degrees of freedom in its limbs, although the 2013 prototype version was tied to an outside power supply. Atlas can travel tough terrain and ascend freely using its arms and legs. Boston Dynamics posted a video showing 2 Atlas robots completing a parkour course involving leaps, balance beams, and vaults on August 17, 2021. Atlas is 5 feet tall, 1.5 m, and weighs 190 pounds. According to another video broadcast the same day, 85 kilograms. Atlas is a 20 degree of freedom battery-powered and hydraulically operated robot. Its control system receives data from RGB cameras and depth sensors. 3 onboard processors handle all of the calculation required for control perception and estimate. Number 6. Spot. Spot is an agile, 4-legged robot created by Boston Dynamics that is tough and configurable. It thrives in unstructured situations and is capable of climbing stairs and navigating tough terrain. With the inclusion of the ClearPath ROS package for Spot, robotics researchers may access widely available open-source libraries, tools, and the larger ROS community to expedite their robotics development. Spot now works with ROS out of the box, allowing you to get started on the next great thing without learning a new interface or writing your own ROS drivers. You can simply manage the robot via ROS while receiving all of the onboard sensing data streams, including odometry, pictures, and point clouds from each of the 5 onboard cameras, as well as data for any extra payloads you want to incorporate by utilizing the provided ROS driver. Number 5. HRP-5P. Watching the Japanese humanoid robot HRP-5P put up drywall is intriguing. Although it has the abilities of a volunteer at Habitat for Humanity, the robot's complex movements are well worth the awe. The HRP-5P robot was designed by Japan's AIST, National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology, to do simple but heavy-duty construction activities. In response to the country's changing demographics, the humanoid robot was created. With an elderly population and a steadily declining birth rate, the humanoid robot will be useful in filling the labor gap. This is part of Japan's long-standing habit of using technology to address its demographic shortage. HRP-5P is a construction robot that is designed to take the place of heavy-duty human labor. It can perform multiple construction activities at the same time, such as picking up plasterboard and screwing it to the wall. It was created by AIST with the hopes of allowing the dwindling workforce to focus on less dangerous jobs. The humanoid robot is not particularly quick, but it is extremely systematic. It makes up for its lack of speed with prudence and meticulousness. It also has object recognition capabilities and the capacity to monitor environmental conditions. Its strong body makes it ideal for constructing buildings and huge constructions such as aircraft and ships. With 2 arms, the robot is designed to lift large and heavy goods. It may, for example, transport gypsum boards that measure 1820 by 910 by 10 mm and weigh 11 kilos, or plywood boards that measure 1800 by 900 by 12 mm and weigh 13 kilograms. Number 4. Surena IV. Surena, a basic humanoid robot created by researchers at the University of Tehran, was introduced a little over a decade ago. Surena II, an upgraded walking variant, was announced not long after, followed by Surena III, a more competent model. In 2015, Surena IV has now been unveiled by Iranian roboticists. The new robot is a significant advancement over earlier models. The robot can be seen imitating a person's attitude, grabbing a water bottle, and writing its name on a whiteboard in a movie demonstrating its skills. Surena IV was constructed by a team of more than 50 researchers at the University of Tehran Center for Advanced Systems and Technologies, CAST. The team, led by mechanical engineering professor Dr. Agil Yusufai Koma, has been working on the new robot for the past 4 years. Surena IV features an additional 12 degrees of freedom, the majority of which are on the hands, increasing the total to 43 degrees of freedom. Several components were reworked by the CAST team, who created new lightweight structural elements and small but powerful bespoke actuators. As a result, the new robot is lighter and more compact than Surena III, standing 1.7 meters tall and weighing 68 kilos, 1.9 m and 98 kilograms. Number 3. Aquanaut. The Houston Mechatronics developed Aquanaut can instantly transform from a submarine to a mermaid, transforming into a semi-humanoid aquatic robot. The company is transforming the underwater robot industry with this gadget, producing a machine capable of doing operations and repairs in deep seas that are too difficult for simple robots yet unsafe for humans. Aquanaut was created specifically for the upkeep of underwater oil and gas operations. The robot will travel in submarine mode to its goal in deep waters, where it will morph into its humanoid shape and unleash its powerful weapons. According to its inventors at IEE Spectrum, each arm does, in fact, include sensors and axes of movement, just like a human arm. Aquanaut's arms also contain pincers that can twist valves and employ specialized repair tools carried in an internal load compartment by the robot. The robot's work will be overseen by humans, but they will not have direct control over it. Aquanaut isn't quite ready to plunge into the abyss yet. This is why specialists are putting it through its paces at the Neutral Buoyancy Laboratory, a massive NASA pool with 23.5 million liters of water and a maximum depth of 12 meters that is designed to educate astronauts in weightlessness. Number 2. Stuntronic Robot. Animatronic stunt doubles are known as stuntronics to achieve aerial flips, twists, and poses with repeatability and precision. They integrate advanced robotic technology with the research of untethered dynamic movement. Onboard accelerometer and gyroscope arrays are assisted by laser range finding on the Stuntronics robot. It's humanoid in its current state, taking on the size and shape of a performer who could easily be mistaken for one of the Incredibles or someone from the Marvel universe. The bot can be strung from a wire and flow in the air, controlling its pose, rotation, and center of mass to not only land aerial acrobatics perfectly, but also to do it on target while holding heroic poses in midair. Number 1. Sophia. Sophia is the world's most advanced human robot because it has around 50 different face expressions. It is a realistic illustration of a flawless humanoid robot. Sophia was created largely for the purposes of education, study, and amusement. It traverses the world to educate people about the role of robots in human life. Sophia has done interviews to a number of major news organizations, including CNN, BBC, and others. Sophia was granted citizenship by the Saudi Arabian government in 2017 with great honor. Sophia was developed by David Hansen as a tribute to Audrey Hepburn, the late actress, and his wife Amanda Hansen. It's most likely the world's most advanced robot. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.